Hello friends, welcome to Wayfinder channel. Today I will share you new combination of vowel digraph OA. In previous phonic series, we have seen the concept of A-I-E-E and I-E vowel combination. If you want to clear that concept, then you can visit to our previous parts. Link is provided in I button. Let's revise A-I-E-E and I-E words. Ran, tran, bran, gran, pant, bee, sea, flea, green, queen, field, tie, pie, lie, cried, tried. If you are facing problems to read these words, so I request you to watch my previous parts. Link is provided in description box. Rules for reading vowel digraphs. When two vowels comes together, it make long sound. That time only first letter pronounced by its name, not by its sound, and second letter remains quiet. For example, O, A. These two vowels comes together, it make long sound O. That time first letter O pronounced by its name O, not by its sound O, and second letter A remains quiet. Let's read story of OA. It is very interesting story. The name of the story is Road's Board. Here, Rod is a steam man. He had a steamboat. He had box of soap to carry in his steamboat. He set sailing. The steamboat stops. He puts some coal to start steamboat again. Suddenly, a lot of smoke came out from the coal pit and made Rod's face black. He took a soap from the box to wash his face. Suddenly the boat moved. The soap went into his eyes and he shouted loudly, "Oh, oh, oh." Here is rhyme of OA. Let's sing along.
Wash, wash, wash the coal gently with the soap. Foam, foam in my eyes, oh, oh, oh.
Here is action of OA. Rubbing eyes and say, "Oh, oh, oh." Let's read the green words of OA. And green words follows the symphonic sound. G makes sound G. OA makes sound O. T makes sound T. So blend it. Goat. Oak. tricky words. Tricky words don't follow the symphonic sound. A W A Y, away. F R O M, from. B Y, by. N E A R, near. Let's read passage. The goat had a kid. It sat by the oak tree. The oak tree is near the moon. A toad croaks from the moon. The goat kid hops away from the oak tree. Here I have listed out words of OA. G makes sound G. OA makes sound O. T makes sound T. Goat. O. Moat. B. O. Boat. O. Goat. O. Toad. O. Load. O. Board. Oak. 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 Scrolls. O. So. O. Food. O. Cool. I think all of you are clear with concept of OA. So let's solve exercise for OA. Let's read instructions first. Circle the word for the picture and write it in the space given below. So what is this in picture? Yes, it is goat. Which word makes correct sound? First G-O-T, second G-I-T, third G-O-A-T. And all of you knows that when OA comes together, it makes long sound O. So we will go for third one, which is G-O-A-T, goat. Let's circle it. Now let's write spelling of goat. G O Go. What is in second picture? Yes, it is boat. Which word makes correct sound? B. First B-O-A-T, second B-O-T, third B-E-T. Yes, the first word makes correct sound. So we will go for first one, which is B-O-A-T, boat. We will circle the word. Let's write spelling of boat. O. Boat. Let's start with third question. What is in third picture? Yes, it is soap. Which word makes correct sound? First S-O-P, second S-U-P, third S-O-A-P. Yes, the third word makes correct sound, which is S-O-A-P. So we will circle the word. Now we will write the word, the spelling of so. O. So, what is in fourth picture? Yes, it is coat. So, which word makes correct sound? First, C-O-T. Second, C-O-A-T. Third, C-E-E-T. So, we will go for second one, which is C-O-A-T. Go. We will circle the word. Now we will write spelling of coat. O. Coat. In next video, digraph part 5, we will meet with new vowel combination of UE, and that will be last vowel combination. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so you will not miss my any new video notification. Bye bye.